Ellie, I think your kid's trying to sneak up on you again. Oh, I know. He's not very good at sneaking. Terrible, actually. But he'll never be encouraged to get better if I never let him succeed. I scared you good, didn't I, Mommy? You sure did. Well done. It's pathetic. At least my kid isn't an actual tiger. Mother, is she talking about me? Don't listen to her, Steven.
Guys, we can't just let them win again.
Athena, watch your six, and for the love of God, Gaia.
Where is Hades?
Where is Persephone?